Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were no regular spacecraft. They were meticulously designed with strong structures and a rotation charge extra than 15 times slower than the hour hand of a clock. This layout minimized scene blurring, permitting the spacecraft to capture photographs and records simultaneously at the same time as journeying through space. Even earlier than their encounters with the outer planets, their top-notch imaging abilities started to affect scientists and the public alike. The spacecraft commenced transmitting photographs of Jupiter several months earlier than completing its task. Those early pics, showcasing swirling clouds and the long-lasting superb pink spot, captivated audiences at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. However, it became the discovery of lively volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io that really stole the spotlight. Io, barely larger than Earth's moon, turned out to be the maximum volcanically lively body in our Sun device. The spacecraft's units detected continuous alerts from Io, which had been showed through the colorful photos it captured, revealing towering volcanic plumes and a floor scarred by means of volcanic material ejections. One among Io's most prominent volcanoes, Pele, erupted with a pressure 30 times extra than Mount Everest, protecting a place almost the scale of France. Because the spacecraft's cameras subsequently powered down to conserve power and reminiscence before their journey into the interstellar area. It's really worth noting that the photos they captured did no longer consist of Mercury and Mars for numerous motives. Further to Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, NASA has additionally operated other superb spacecraft consisting of Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, and New Horizons. On February 17, 1998, Voyager 1 exceeded Pioneer 10, marking the moment whilst Pioneer 10 have become the maximum distance spacecraft. Voyager 1 endured its solitary voyage for every other 14 years before coming into the interstellar medium on August 25, 2012. Despite the fact that no different tremendous space probes were in sight to observe, NASA did no longer publicly announce this huge achievement until 2013. The tension arises because of gravitational lensing surveys suggesting a lower cost of S8 than predicted via the same old cosmological model primarily based on cosmic microwave history, CMB, records. Efforts to clear up the S8 anxiety have led scientists to explore diverse hypotheses, starting from capability systematic mistakes within the information to fundamental changes in our expertise of gravity. Modern-day simulations, consisting of the Flamingo project, have performed a critical function in offering insights into the complex interaction among darkish relay and gravitational forces in shaping the cosmic internet. Regardless of the demanding situations posed by way of the S8 tension, many measurements taken at low redshifts and from the CMB stay regular with the usual cosmological model. This has caused the interesting opportunity that the universe may additionally have experienced a giant evolution in its development, hard our current expertise of cosmic structure and evolution. In précis, the S8 tension represents a primary venture to our interpretation of cosmological structure and might necessitate updates to contemporary theoretical frameworks. Voyager 1 keeps its excellent journey via area, faithfully sending back valuable facts from the long-way reaches of the cosmos for nearly 5 many years. This terrific spacecraft has reshaped our know-how of outer area. But these days, Voyager 1 has begun transmitting alarming data to Earth, leaving the whole area organization in surprise. Are these stressful information the result of a technical malfunction, or ought they be signals from extraterrestrial assets? Be part of us as we discover the reality behind these brilliant transmissions. Considering time immemorial, scientists were interested in the mysteries that lie past our celestial borders. This fascination brought about the groundbreaking release of the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft, among different incredible space missions. These pioneering missions, celebrated for their achievements, started with the launch of Voyager 2 from NASA's Kennedy Area Middle on August 21, 1977. Some weeks later, on September 5th of the same 12 months, Voyager 1 became released. These dual probes, every weighing approximately 7,120 kilograms, equal to a small vehicle, have been sent into area at some point of a selected alignment of the outer planets, setting them on their splendid journey. The explorers navigated various trajectories and speeds, culminating in a critical second on December 15, 1977, whilst Voyager 1 overtook its duel. Since then, Voyager 1 has become a useful tool, imparting vast expertise and unraveling space-associated mysteries. Earlier than delving into Voyager's contemporary scary discovery, which has extensively taken aback the complete space organization, allow us to discover the superb photographs captured with the aid of the spacecraft at some point of its groundbreaking Jovian imaging mission. In 1978, Voyager 1 became positioned approximately 265 million kilometers from Earth. From this vantage factor, it transmitted a diverse array of snapshots lower back to Earth. In January 1979, the spacecraft launched into an excellent 100-hour task, shooting time-lapse movies showcasing 10 rotations of Jupiter. A treasure trove of 750 snapshots allowed us to look at Jupiter's majestic moves in shiny element. In the following months, Voyager 1 ventured through the Jovian moon system and made an exceptional discovery: a small ring around Jupiter and new moons, Thebe and Mate. This accelerated our know-how of Jupiter's charming area. To make certain a secure journey and save you a capability collision with Titan, one in every of Saturn's moons, corrective maneuvers have been finished. Voyager 1 continued its celestial voyage round Saturn, revealing 4 more moons: Mimas, Enceladus, Tethys, and Rhea. With the completion of the Saturn mission, scientists determined to conclude the Voyager planetary task, propelling both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 beyond the boundaries of our Sun, rushing through area at an remarkable rate of 325 million miles per 12 months. In January 1990, a brand new chapter commenced: the Voyager interstellar assignment. At some stage in this segment, Voyager 1 captured some of the maximum iconic pics in history, immortalizing the solar system and most of the planets. One man or woman who played a critical role in extending the missions beyond their initial dreams turned into the outstanding astronomer Carl Sagan. As a member of the Voyager imaging group, Sagan ardently advocated for one very last set of pics as a farewell gift to humanity. Against all odds, his unwavering willpower succeeded. On February 14, 1990, Voyager 1, placed 6 billion kilometers from Earth, launched into a photographic adventure, taking pictures what have become known as the pale blue dot picture. Those breathtaking snapshots, totaling 60 in number, were brought to the spacecraft's amazing collection of 670 snapshots. At some point of its come across with Neptune, Voyager 2 done an incredible feat via recording wind speeds exceeding 1,000 meters per second, the quickest winds ever documented within our solar machine. Because the spacecraft ventured 298 kilometers into Neptune's azure methane ecosystem, it furnished treasured insights into this distant celestial body. Neptune's biggest moon, Triton, was found out as one of the coldest places in our Sun machine, with surface temperatures plunging to extremely low tiers. Triton also displayed fascinating features, including nitrogen gasoline-spewing ice volcanoes that ejected icy particles 5 miles into its tenuous ecosystem. These incredible discoveries extended our information of the numerous and intricate celestial gadgets dwelling within the farthest reaches of our Sun system. Do not depart. Voyager 1 has recently made one of its most startling discoveries. But first, allow us assessment its achievements over the last 45 years. The accomplishments of the Voyager twin probes have been nothing quick of extremely good. Their early observations of Jupiter and Saturn's moons left researchers in awe and challenged preceding assumptions about those remote worlds. Moons once notioned to be inactive and barren, just like our moon, were found to be teeming with geological activity. Voyager 2 especially performed numerous superb milestones at some stage in its adventure. It made history in 1986 as the first spacecraft to fly by using Uranus and, simply 3 years later, achieved every other groundbreaking feat with a flyby of Neptune. At the present time, it remains the simplest spacecraft to have undertaken such missions. As the Voyager spacecraft continued their journey, NASA implemented diverse measures to increase their operational lifespan. During the last 3 years, non-critical additives and warmers have been deactivated to conserve strength, ensuring that these intrepid explorers can retain their challenge properly into the following decade, with an anticipated Venture C date set for 2030. For the scientists and engineers who've been involved from the beginning, the Voyager missions represent both a second of pleasure and a touch of nostalgia. Their unwavering willpower and tireless efforts have passed preliminary expectations. The wealth of facts furnished via the Voyagers has supplied treasured insights, fueled numerous clinical discoveries, and stimulated limitless researchers and space lovers. Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 have been not regular spacecraft. They had been meticulously designed with robust systems and a rotation price greater than 15 instances slower than the hour hand of a clock. This layout minimized visible blurring, permitting the spacecraft to capture images and information simultaneously while traveling through area. Even earlier than their encounters with the outer planets, their extraordinary imaging competencies started out to impress scientists and the public alike. The spacecraft began transmitting photographs of Jupiter numerous months earlier than finishing its task. These early photos, showcasing swirling clouds and the iconic extremely good purple spot, captivated audiences at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. But it became the discovery of lively volcanoes on Jupiter's moon Io that virtually stole the highlight. Io, slightly larger than Earth's moon, grew to become out to be the most volcanically active frame in our solar device. The spacecraft's devices detected non-stop alerts from Io, which have been showed by way of the colorful pics it captured, revealing towering volcanic plumes and a floor scarred by volcanic material ejections. One in all Io's maximum prominent volcanoes, Pele, erupted with a pressure 30 instances greater than Mount Everest, protecting an area nearly the dimensions of France. As the spacecraft's cameras subsequently powered down to preserve strength and memory earlier than their journey into the interstellar region, it's well worth noting that the photographs they captured did now not encompass Mercury and Mars for diverse motives. Similarly to Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, NASA has additionally operated different excellent spacecraft, which includes Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, and New Horizons. On February 17, 1998, Voyager one-handed Pioneer 10, marking the moment whilst Pioneer 10 have become the maximum remote spacecraft. Voyager 1 persevered its solitary voyage for another 14 years before coming into the interstellar medium on August 25, 2012. Despite the fact that no different tremendous area probes have been in sight to follow, NASA did no longer publicly announce this considerable achievement till 2013. The anxiety arises because of gravitational lensing surveys suggesting a lower price of S8 than anticipated by way of the same old cosmological version based on cosmic microwave historical past, CMB, facts. Efforts to resolve the S8 tension have led scientists to discover numerous hypotheses, ranging from capability systematic mistakes inside the records to essential adjustments in our understanding of gravity. Contemporary simulations, together with the Flamingo mission, have performed a vital function in offering insights into the complex interplay among darkish count and gravitational forces in shaping the cosmic web. Notwithstanding the demanding situations posed through the S8 anxiety, many measurements taken at low redshifts and from the CMB remain steady with the usual cosmological model. This has led to the thrilling possibility that the universe may have skilled a tremendous evolution in its development, tough our current expertise of cosmic shape and evolution. In précis, the S8 tension represents a major project to our interpretation of cosmological structure and may necessitate updates to contemporary theoretical frameworks. The contemporary statistics anomalies in latest transmissions have proven that Voyager 1 has pronounced unexpected readings that have left scientists at a loss for words. These anomalies include unusual fluctuations in cosmic ray stages and sudden shifts inside the spacecraft's magnetic field measurements. Some researchers have speculated whether or not these adjustments should indicate new, formerly unknown cosmic phenomena or even capability interactions with regions of area that have in no way been explored. One principle is that the spacecraft might be encountering a previously undetected type of cosmic particle or radiation discipline. Some other opportunity is that the anomalies will be because of technical problems with the spacecraft's devices. But, given Voyager 1's robustness and the precision of its engineering, technical malfunctions are taken into consideration much less likely than the possibility of virtually new discoveries. The pleasure and hypothesis surrounding those anomalies have led to diverse hypotheses. A few fringe theories advise that the records could be evidence of extraterrestrial interference or even communication attempts. Even as those theories are charming, they may be no longer supported by way of the scientific network. The prevailing view is that the anomalies are more likely because of herbal phenomena or technical issues. Though, the concept of extraterrestrial signals captures the creativeness and highlights the iconic human interest approximately life beyond Earth.